see what I can do with the boot lid. This is the bottom of the boot lid here. So we've got a lot of rust, and that's bubbled through to the aluminium on the face. So I'm going to see if I can lift this lid on 3 sides and slide it off the top. Because I quite like to reuse it if I can. This this is the boot opening latch, and this had broken off in. I welded it back on, but it's a little bit long, so I had to come up with a little shortening device. Oh, see how it goes. This seems to work quite well as the initial lift. It's an old wood chisel. I'll heat it up. I'm getting under that lip. Can't do it one-handed, but that lifts it quite nice. I think it's sort of getting there. And I can't feel any distortion on the face. So I've got the bottom out, and the sides are loose. And I'm just tapping on this section here. It's actually pulling out of this top. This top flange a little bit as well, so I think just might squeeze out with a bit of luck. There we are, de-skinned, and that's remained very flat. You can see there it's been reacting with the steel. And then the frame, rusty on the bottom edge, and aluminium corners, and of course they're perfect. So, good news so far. Still in mind what to do, because my boot or bonnet aperture is not big enough. So I drew a line on this timber before I took the skin off, and I could cut this line on a bandsaw and clamp it either side of this edge and fold a new edge in. It tapers, it's okay at the top. I need to find another 5mm down here. Just put an extra fold in and leave the aperture as it is, or whether to change the aperture. And here I'm wondering whether to change this for aluminium. I can't see there being a lot of difference in strength. It's supported well by the timber, and it would give you more chance to just tap the edge down if you wanted to.